Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, and we have a customer sitting right here. She's still looking for a vehicle. We just looked at two Volkswagen Jettas. The first one, the dealership was in Norfolk, Virginia, and we couldn't even park on it. We had to park block down, and the guy who owns it wasn't even there. So, and then the car itself was just filthy and just completely trash. The second one was the car light was on, and the airbag light, and they had a brand new inspection sticker. You can't pass inspection in Virginia, so that was and then the air conditioner was blowing through the defrost versus front. So can you please tell me, where have you been looking for a car at?
So I haven't really been looking until I went today to look at two vehicles. They were a no, and then I also went to another gentleman, and he told me that he can give me a Honda Accord from the auction.
At the auction, was he a dealer or was he just a regular person?
A dealer.
Okay. Did he mention how he is inspecting the vehicle, or is he just going to buy it for you without even mechanically and computerized? What did he say to you?
So I think he was just going to buy it.
Oh.
And then let the shop do an inspection on it afterwards.
After the fact?
Yeah.
So would you be able to take the car back if it was a piece of garbage, or you would have been stuck with it?
Probably would have been stuck with it.
Okay, so that's a risk that you were about to take.
Yeah.
And you just didn't know any better. Okay, is there any other places that you've been looking at?
No.
Okay, so may I give you some suggestions?
Yes.
Okay, so go to your Craigslist. On the left-hand side, type in automobiles, type in your budget, type in the area radius where you're looking at, say 50 miles from wherever.
Hazard reported ahead.
From wherever you're located, Virginia, Hampton, Newport News, wherever you're at, and then put your budget in. What is the minimum and the maximum you want to pay? From that point forward, things will pop up just there in that particular area. You need to narrow it down, otherwise it'd be too broad for you. Then if you know what kind of vehicle you want, you type in, what kind of vehicle are you actually looking for?
I was actually looking for a Honda Accord.
So you would put Honda Accord in Craigslist on the left hand side, and all the Honda Accords within your budget and mile radius will pop up. You can also go to Facebook, look on the Trash and Treasures, Hampton, Williamsburg, or you can go to the Facebook Marketplace and look at what people are selling. On Facebook, it actually has a lot of good descriptions on Facebook, and also the person has to put the mileage and how much they want, and Facebook most of the time will give you what the value of the car is versus what the person is selling it for. Also on Facebook, you can actually click on the person's profile and see what else they've been selling. If the person says that they are a dealer on Facebook and they're getting you to meet somewhere at somebody's house, run. That is a red flag. Number two, when you're buying a vehicle, look at the title. It should say the same name as the person that is selling it. Otherwise, the car could be stolen, they could be illegally selling it, or whatever the case may be. If the person is pressuring you to buy it, do not buy it. You should take your time looking at the car, and there should be no pressure on it. With those few little tips, you should be able to narrow your car down. Also, when you go to the car dealership, look at the fees. That's why we come into place, and we give you a piece of paper that legally tells you the fees that are legitimate and illegitimate fees that they're trying to make money off of you. And that's why you need to do a pre-purchase used car inspection. We come to you, and we're the only people in the 757 area that actually does it. If you're not in this state of Virginia, you can email us at our Gmail, and we can answer some of your questions. If you feel this video has benefited you, our Cash App for donations is there. If you want us to review something that you have from a company like tools or diagnosing machine, our address is in the description. If you like this video, please like, hit that subscribe button, and please have a wonderful day.